Okay, I have no idea if this actually picks up sound or not, but we're going to try it. So that's the new one I got. It's very pretty. Alright, so, first trick. So as I close, flip that little thing up. Straight to there. Pretty easy. Now, the other trick, a little harder. Very basic. Over, over, open. Closing, same way. Turn sideways here. Now, let me do it quick. That's the rollover. So, double rollover is like that. Close. So it's over, rotate, back. Over, over, close. Over, over, back. Double, and there's a single too. But, now, my favorite trick. This is fun. Let's see if I can get it sideways on camera without cutting myself. Okay, I dropped too low. Let me try that again. Whoop, nope, dropped it. There you go. So, you learn all kind of neat little tricks, and there's another one that I learned, but I'm still practicing that one. That one's a bit harder because it's a downward, over, and you're supposed to catch it. It's weird, but I'm not real sure. So let me see. Gotta remember how to do it. No. Yeah, I can't remember how to do it. But yeah, basic stuff. I'm still learning a new trick. I hit my desk. All new basics. Oh, and like I said, I can do it left-handed too. Not as quick as my right. Not as quick as my right, but I can do it. What's up? Okay. Little 2-minute, 3-minute. We'll make it 3 minutes. But, again, let's try this one more time. I want to get that on camera. Almost. There it goes. Okay. See you later.